Hello, garden lovers! Welcome to Arpagriartist by agriculturist Maksuda Haq. Today we're going to talk about a beautiful winter flower called Chrysanthemum, known as Chandramalika in Bengali. With its wide range of colors and bloom sizes, it's one of the most loved flowers in home and institutional gardens. Let's learn how to grow it step by step. Why chrysanthemum? Chrysanthemums are easy to grow, require little maintenance, and bloom in winter when most other plants are asleep. They come in colors like white, yellow, pink, red, purple, and even two-toned. This flower is used for decoration, garlands, ceremonies, and even in medicine in some cultures. Ideal time for planting. The best time to plant chrysanthemum. Seedlings is from September to early October. This allows the plant enough time to establish and bloom from November to January. Soil preparation. Chrysanthemum grows best in loamy, well-drained soil with good sunlight. Prepare your bed at least 20-30 days before. Transplanting by mixing the following: fertilizers per square meter. Cow dung, 3 kg urea, 15 gram TSP, 15 gram mop, 10 gram boric powder, 7 gram gypsum, 10 gram. Mix thoroughly into the soil and water lightly. After 30 days of planting, apply half of the urea and mop as top dressing. Spacing and transplanting. Maintain a spacing of 25 cm x 25 cm between each plant. Choose healthy seedlings without any signs of disease. Transplant in the late afternoon or on a cloudy day to reduce stress on the plants. Pinching and training. After about 20-25 days of transplanting, pinch the top 2 to 3 napiers of the growing tip. This encourages side branches and results in bushier plants with more blooms. Pinching can be done 2 to 3 times, depending on the variety. Use bamboo sticks or light support to keep taller varieties upright. Watering and weeding. Water the plants every 2 to 3 days, depending on the weather. Avoid waterlogging as it may lead to root rot. Regularly weed the bed too. Prevent competition for nutrients. Pest and disease control. Some common problems and their solutions are aphids. These tiny pests suck the plant sap. Spray neem oil or insecticidal soap regularly. Leaf spot, caused by fungal or bacterial. Infection leading to brown or black spots. Apply a copper-based fungicide at early signs. Root rot occurs due to waterlogged soil. Ensure well-drained soil and avoid overwatering. Spider mites. These are tiny, sap-sucking pests that thrive in dry conditions, increase humidity, or use a miticide spray. By taking proper care and monitoring regularly, you can keep your chrysanthemum plants healthy and blooming. Flowering and harvest. Chrysanthemum flowers bloom about 60-90 days after planting. cut the flowers when they are half to 2/3 open for best shelf life. Use a sharp blade or scissors, and always harvest in the early morning. Conclusion? So, that's your complete guide to growing chrysanthemum or chandramalika. With proper care, these flowers will reward you with beautiful colors all winter long. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ARP Agri Artist for more garden-friendly videos.